Greetings to all the farmers and friends involved in farming business all over the globe. Our mission is to grow enough food using zero chemicals and encourage rural youth for 100% employment on their own land. My name is Tejaram Chaudhary and we are discussing all the agriculture methods adopted by the farmers all over the world. Our ultimate aim is to arrive at the best agriculture method wherein our agriculture will be simple, cheapest, and natural and will benefit the entire humanity, the entire living beings, and the entire atmosphere on Mother Earth. To know more about all the agriculture methods, we are discussing briefly about each one, and today we are taking up the next one method, that is sustainable farming. What is sustainable farming? What if farming could feed the world, protect the nature, and improve farmers' lives all about the same time? That is the idea behind sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture is a farming approach that produces food, fiber, and other products in ways that are environmentally safe, economically profitable, and socially responsible. It focuses on meeting today's needs without harming the ability of future generations to meet their requirement. This system supports ecosystem, health, farmers' income, and quality of life for society as a whole. In section of ecological health, we discussed that sustainable farming protects the environment by conserving soil, water, and biodiversity. It reduces chemical use, encourages organic fertilizer, and support natural ecosystem. Techniques like crop rotation, agroforestry, intercropping, and cover cropping improve soil fertility and biodiversity. In section of soil management, we discuss that healthy soil is the foundation of sustainable agriculture. Practices like composting, mulching, reduced tillage, and organic manure increases soil fertility, prevent erosion, and boost organic matter. No-till or conservation tillage method also help retain moisture and prevent soil degradation. In section of water conservation, we discuss about water efficiency essential, that is drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and groundwater management ensures crop receive enough water without waste. Receiving water and minimizing runoff also keep water clean and available for the future. In section of biodiversity, growing multiple crops, we discussed that instead of just one reduces pest attack, increases resilience, and supports healthier ecosystem. Farmers also plant native species and maintain wildlife habitat that attract beneficial insects and pollinators. In section of reduced chemical, we discuss about sustainable agriculture that reduces and eliminates synthetic fertilizer and pesticides. Instead of promoting natural solutions like compost, biological pest control, and organic nutrients. Integrated pest management combines biological, cultural, and mechanical methods to control pests and minimal environmental impact. In section of energy and climate, we discuss about the sustainable farm aims for low carbon footprints by reducing fossil fuel use and adopting renewable energy like solar and wind power. Practices like composting and minimal tillage even helps store carbon in the soil, helping fight climate change. In the section of economic viability, we discuss about sustainable farming is designed to be profitable in long term. It reduces input cost, uses local resources, and supports local markets, creating stable income for farmers. In section of social responsibility, we discuss the system also focuses on farmers and farmers empowerment. It supports safe working conditions, fair wages, small farms and local food systems. Models like community supported agriculture and fair trade strengthen rural economies and ethical consumption. Advantages: the benefits are powerful, protects soil, water, and biodiversity, improves long term productivity, builds farmer income stability, strengthen rural communities. Of course, challenges are also there. That is, initial yield may be lower during transition period. Some methods require more labor. Farmers must learn new skills and technique. And as a closing point, we can say that sustainable agriculture is not just farming method, it's a improvement towards healthier planet, stronger farmers and a better future for all. The farmers of tomorrow must grow food and protect life at the same time. To know more about other methods, keep tuned with us. Finally, we will arrive at the best agriculture